Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a bag I am using for tomorrow. I just set it up for the day tomorrow. I just wanted to show you and tell you what I am planning to take with me. This is a Danier leather fanny pack or belt bag, either or. It is a all leather bright orange bag. It has gold grommets on the side, a gold zipper along the top, and on the back of the bag there's a gold medal as well. It does have a gold clasp to put on your back, around your waist, across your shoulder. This bag I've had for a few years now. As you can see, it has scratched quite a bit. It doesn't wear well on the buckle, but that does not hinder the use of the bag at all. This has been stored for quite a while. So I did make the mistake when I stored this bag. You see the strap, it was bent. So this strap here was bent like that when I stored it, and I did not realize. So when you go to store your bags when they're not in use, always be careful how you wrap the strap nice and straight, because it does tend to crease. I know I've had this happen with other bags, so when it does straighten out and you wear it for a few times, those lines will disappear. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you why they were there. So here is again the bag. It is a Danier leather orange fanny pack or belt bag. It is currently on eBay. I've seen it there. I've seen it on Poshmark. I've seen it on a couple of other online stores. So if you wanted to stay tuned and take a look, I'll show you what's inside. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the notifications bell so you are alerted when I upload a video. And let's take a look. I have packed in my front pocket right here. These are just some Shout stain remover wipes. It's one wipe per package. And I have packed 2 of those. I don't think there's anything else in that pocket. Beautiful large zipper pull. So it's easier to pull this zipper open and closed. Just like that. I have also packed inside my Fossil wallet. It is a beautiful complementary color to this bag. It is bright fuchsia pink, single snap closure. I have put my measuring tape in here. These key tags are, or these cord wraps. These cord wraps are from the Dollar Tree. It's 2 in a pack for $1. Very inexpensive but cute for holding big things. I have packed in a pack of Kleenex as well. I've also put in here a nail file. And I have also put in here a pen. I have a pincer clip. I also have in here a coil hair pretty and some dental floss. In this back pocket, I have put a mirror. I was born a unicorn. That's all I have back there. This last pocket I have is a perfume from Sarah Jessica Parker, Born Lovely. It's a roll-on. I also have in here a lipstick, Twisted Kisses. And I also have 2 pens. These are the Papermate Ink Joy pens, my favorite type of pen. And I believe two more things I put in here right at the bottom. I have placed a SPF Lip Balm with cocoa butter. It's an SPF 15. And I have also put in here another lip balm that's tropical citrus. That's all I have in this bag. So as you can see, this bag does open quite wide to fit whatever you need for the day. We're heading to the farmer's market in the morning, so this is something that I will be taking with me. It does close up nicely. The zippers are tight. There is ample organization in here. 2 pockets on the front, 1 long zippered pocket on the back with a complimentary burgundy zipper. There is the Danier leather tag right there. As I said, it is a fanny pack or belt bag. I have my hand sanitizer attached to the outside with the holder that came from Bath & Body Works as well. I did use some other wallets that are in an upcoming review to help me stand up the bag. So this is not a structured bag where it can stand on its own. It is quite soft, and Danier leather is an online company. It is extremely soft leather. It is a beautiful bag. As I said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a video. Hope to see you soon.